gonna fight for this script. Is it true?
ये तो वैसे बचपन से मार खाता है मुझसे।
I'm a Punjabi, so my whole point is I love feeding people.
मैं फिजिकली मारता हूँ फ्रस्ट्रेटेड हो गए क्योंकि बॉक्स ऑफिस पे ये मुझे मारता है।
Sonam Kapoor, Imtiaz Ali and Bosco Caesar launched What's Up Andheri, the 3-day extravaganza event at Lokhandwala Gardens in Mumbai. Check it out.
It's just going to be sessions over here in this very locations where we'll come and we'll do things very informally. For instance, on the 17th, we are just going to have chai and samosa as the sun sets with no particular agenda. There'll be basically, it's a great opportunity for a lot of people to meet other people. So please tell your friends and your uncles and grandmothers to come here and just chat with each other, interact with each other, and let's see where it goes.
It's wonderful that everybody is starting this amazing festival, because every time we had to go for any festival or anything that is slightly artistic, we have to go to another city, like I call it, which is not the burbs. And I love living in the burbs. I've lived in it for the past 26 years. And there's a sense of community and there's a sense of belonging that you feel when you're here. There's space, there's greenery, and there are amazing people and amazing artists. So I think it's amazing that there's something like that that encourages art. And so I'm just really proud of everybody for starting this, and I'm really proud to be a part of it and be here right now.
There's going to be a lot of dancing and a lot of food. Imtiaz said कि बॉस को कुछ हो ना हो, खाना ज़रूर होना चाहिए. So there's going to be food, so please everybody come in millions and get everybody and anybody who you know, and that's the platform where everybody should be dancing. So we have only that much space, so it looks full all the time.
When Sonam came, she asked me whether I was more excited about What's Up or I was excited about the award. And I clearly lied to her that I was excited about What's Up. I can't lie. I am excited. Bosco and me are excited about the national award. But saying that What's Up is the most important thing for Bosco and me and for Ajay, because the idea was really from Ajay, and I think everyone here is going to support, and I'm quite excited. 16, 17, 18, I am going to be there and I'm going to see what's going to happen.
I just wanted to announce the topic of the short films in the competition, and that is The Girl and the Auto Rickshaw. Yeah, there are some weird looks on people's faces. The Girl and the Auto Rickshaw. So everyone has to make a film on this, and there is a minimum duration of 30 seconds that they've got to shoot in the festival itself, so that we know that they've not shot it already. So the duration can be, I think, between 5 to 7 minutes. So that's what it is, The Girl and the Auto Rickshaw. Because it's What's Up Andheri.
My Twitter handle says there's a girl who lives to read and eat in that order. So my whole life revolves around at breakfast I'm thinking about what I'm going to have for lunch, at lunch I'm thinking what I'm going to have for dinner. And I'm a Punjabi, so my whole point is I love feeding people. It's my thing. I love feeding people and I like getting fed. And my dietitian over here right now is here. Pooja is my dietitian. She's been working on me for a while and it's been very unsuccessful. But I love food, and I'm so glad that there's food is an art, I think. And so it's great.
Anurag and Imtiaz gonna fight for this script. Is it true?
ये तो वैसे बचपन से मार खाता है मुझसे। 22 साल हो गए।
तो ये टाइम स्क्रिप्ट में भी मार।
मैं फिजिकली मारता हूँ, फ्रस्ट्रेटेड हो गए क्योंकि बॉक्स ऑफिस पे ये मुझे मारता है।
मैंने तुम्हारे आने से पहले अनुराग सबको बता दिया था कि हम दोनों डिसाइड कर चुके हैं कि मैं बेटर फिल्म मेकर हूँ, है ना?
मेरी बेटी भी डिसाइड कर चुकी है।
Bollywood Hungama News Network.